In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change sheet names in Smartsheet quickly and easily. Whether you're organizing multiple projects, cleaning up your workspace, or just fixing a typo, renaming your sheets properly can help you stay organized and professional. I'll walk you through two simple methods step by step so you can choose the one that works best for you. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet that you want to rename. You can do this by navigating through your Home tab, Workspace, or Recent Files, depending on where your sheet is saved. Once you're inside the sheet, make sure it's fully loaded in Grid View or whichever view you normally use. The sheet name will appear at the top of the screen. This is the first and fastest way to rename your sheet. Now, to rename it directly from inside the sheet, simply click on the current sheet name displayed at the top. When you click on the name, it will become editable. You'll see your cursor appear, allowing you to type in a new name. Enter the updated sheet name exactly how you want it to appear. This could be something more descriptive, like adding a project phase, date, or department name. Once you've typed the new name, press Enter on your keyboard. Smartsheet will automatically save the change, and your sheet is now renamed. That's the quickest method if you're already working inside the sheet. Now, let's look at the second method, which works directly from your workspace or home area. This method is especially useful if you want to rename a sheet without opening it. Start by going back to your workspace or the folder where your sheet is stored. Locate the sheet in your list of items. Once you find it, click on the sheet to highlight it. After selecting the sheet, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. It's usually located to the right of the sheet name. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. A list of actions will appear, such as sharing, moving, deleting, and more. From this list, click on Rename. When you click Rename, a small dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the new sheet name. Type in your updated name carefully. Make sure it follows your naming conventions if you're working in a team environment. Consistent naming makes it much easier to search, filter, and manage multiple sheets across large projects. Once you've entered the new name, click OK or press Enter. Your sheet name will update instantly in your workspace. And that's it. Those are the two simple ways to change sheet names in Smartsheet. You can either rename the sheet directly from inside it by clicking the title at the top, or you can use the three-dot menu from your workspace and select Rename. Both methods take just a few seconds, but they make a big difference when it comes to staying organized. Before you go, remember that keeping clear and consistent sheet names helps your entire team collaborate more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Smartsheet guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next